What's up? Good morning. Happy Friday. We're live. We're live on TikTok. We're live. We're live. What's up? What's up? How's everybody doing? All right. Sorry about the delay there. Let's see, guys. Let's see what... Well, the market's been dumping, clearly. Clearly in a downtrend, guys. Since Asia opened, it's just been going down, 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 down. And down, down, down. Wow. It's just going down. Let's see what happens today, though. Let's see what happens today. Thank you guys for joining. K Wade, Solo. Hello, hello, everybody on TikTok. If you guys want to see me on YouTube or subscribe to my channel, feel free to subscribe. Here's the link right here on YouTube. It's free. Learn how to day trade. I'm just looking at different charts right now real quick. We got about 15 more minutes into the New York Stock Exchange. So just hang tight. Wow. This shit is just going straight down since we traded yesterday. It cannot get above that VWAP there. VWAP new session cannot get above that. It is down. All right, good for you. Anyways, we're gonna mark out some key levels. This little triangle right here, right? There's the triangle right there. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Let's go. Thanks for the follow on TikTok. Thank you. Appreciate it. Ear Fang Denny Fangda. I don't know if I said that right. Sorry. So the current ATR is 28. A little volatile. We're gonna check. Where is... Today is July 17, Friday. All right, so at 10 a.m. we do have 2 orange folders. Nothing crazy, but I'll put it here. 2 orange folders. We got consumer sentiment, inflation expectation. Might move the market. Just be careful with that at 10 a.m. All right, today's Friday, so we don't risk a lot on Friday, guys. We don't try to give up all the profit we made this week, even though even if it's a plus setup, whatever the case is, just manage your risk. Don't give up all the profits you made for the week on Friday. Don't do it. And if you are down for the week, Don't try to make up all the profits on Friday. Take a calculated trade or don't trade at all. It's okay to have a losing week. It's okay as long as you could trade next week. Let's mark out the London high here. All right, sorry. There we go. London high 28. Wow, we're at 28,825. Wow. Wow. We're at 30 something thousand. Now we're at 28. It moves so crazy. All right, we're gonna move now to the bottom of London low. And London low is 28,554, give or take. That's your London low. And I'm gonna mark out the Asia high. Let's zoom in here. Hold on. Hang tight. We gotta go way up here. This thing has been just completely downtrend, like a perfect downtrend, honestly. Anybody who take a short right here off this VWAP is just making stupid money and just goes to sleep. You imagine you open up on 6 p.m. Asia session yesterday. You're like, you know what? I'm gonna go short on the first red candle. The first red candle. Boom, short. You wake up, you're a millionaire. I'm sure somebody did it. Anyways, let me mark out the Asia high here. Let me erase this to not confuse anybody. Alright, I'm gonna use this one that's right here. That is your Asia high. 29,220. Give or take. Alright. And we're back to London session. ATR is 27. Market opens in the next 29 minutes. I'm sorry, 9 minutes. 29 minutes. Let's see. Yeah, market dumped. Market dumped. It's a little crazy. All right, guys, we're just being patient, waiting for the New York Open. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Feel free to ask me. There's no stupid questions. All right, guys. Let me fix this London low here. There we go. 28,555. There's your London low. We got 5 more minutes until the New York Open. And let's see where ES is. Oh, there's my alarm. Hold on. Just sit tight, guys. New York Open is coming. 4 minutes. Just sit tight. Oh. All right, market is completely pumping right before New York Open. This is crazy. Thank you, Selector, for following. If you're running in losses, don't join the Telegram. Don't join these people's Telegram. You're gonna be running in more losses. Oh my goodness. All right, market opens in 1 minute, guys. 1 minute. 1 minute. Get ready. Get ready. Here we go. All right, let's focus. Let's focus. Sorry, guys. I was just doom scrolling. All right, here we go. Market will be opening now in 15 seconds. And it looks like it's dumping even more. Looks like it's going to take that London low. And let's go. Market is open. Market is open, ladies and gentlemen. And let's see what it wants to do. We're watching the 1 hour here and the 5 minute. Is it going to go higher? Is it going to go lower? We shall see. We shall see, guys. Just sit tight. Sit tight. The bots are going crazy. If you guys want to send me any messages or whatever, go to my YouTube channel. If you have any, go to my YouTube channel and subscribe, and you could message me there if I miss your message on TikTok, or if you had a question or something. What's up? What's up? Hello, Matthew. Let's go. Looks like the market is ripping. Looks like the market is pumping.
Green Giant.
There it goes. Is it gonna break above VWAP? That is the question. I don't think so. VWAP's at London high. I don't know. It's having a big reaction here at this support pivot on the 1 hour. So there's obviously some support. Let's see if it didn't take out the London low and it's ripping. That's a sign of be careful. This thing could eventually go a lot lower just to sweep this London low here. Today you make some money. I make money every day, Matthew. Every day. Can you give me $10? I can show you how to make it. In Trust Wallet. Yeah. Good luck with that. Please. Please, David. Alright, guys. We're going to wait for the first 15 minutes, which is going to tell us what direction this thing wants to go in. ATR is 231. A little volatile. Let's see how this goes. Hey, my love. All right, it's going for that London low. It's gonna sweep it. We are clearly, ladies and gentlemen, in a downtrend. Clearly. Oh. If I miss your message in the TikTok, make sure to go to my YouTube channel, subscribe, and you can message me there. There's less bots. Less bots. All right, first 5 minutes. Looks like we swept the London low, filled an imbalance, rejected off EMA 21 and EMA 50. So is it going to go lower? Most likely. We're in a downtrend, so it's probably going to go lower. If you want to look at if you want to look at the daily, just in this range, and it looks like it wants to fill this daily fair value gap here. Definitely looks like it wants to take out this low. Did I just put that thing sideways? Okay. Let me move this back to 60 because it's lagging. Hopefully my computer doesn't crash here. Alrighty. It's bouncing up. It's bouncing. All right. We're just waiting, guys. We're just waiting. ATR is currently 39 on the 5-minute time frame, so we're just hanging out here until the market shows us something. Obviously it's going down, but just gotta stay patient here because it could have a pretty strong reaction at these levels and bounce. Let's see if I put it back to the daily. Is it gonna trip out on me or what? my bad. I didn't put on that. Here we go. Daily. And it looks like it's filling that imbalance. And this thing came out sideways, and I can't find it. There it is. Okay, let me erase that. Maybe if I do a square, it'll be easier. Let's see, rectangle. All right, let's give or take. That should show up on the 1 hour here. Oh my god, and it's filling that gap. It's dying. Market's going down. There it is. There's that blue square that I made. It's filling it. Oh my god, market is dying completely, guys. Wow. It is.
Tactical nuke incoming!
Completely death. The market opened and dropped straight down, guys. Straight down. Oh boy. Anybody catch these shorts? Any gamblers out here? If you see the Porsche, guys, it's because I'm switching screens, so just bear with me. Oops, my bad. That wasn't the screen I wanted. This is, there it is. Well, we are at a new low from the beginning of the month, I think. Yeah. Can it go lower? Absolutely. Will it go lower? I don't know. This is an interesting point in there. So we still have this 1 hour or daily imbalance. It looks like it's filling that. And there it goes. It's going even deeper. Oh my goodness. Crazy. We are dumping like crazy. Straight down, guys. Straight down. It is straight death right now. The last three candles, the whole 15-minute candle was just straight down, guys. Crazy. Crazy, crazy. Let's see if we get an entry to go short, because I don't even know. We might be overly extended now. Okay. Wow. Wow. This does not want to go up. Anytime it does do like a little pullback, it's just straight down. I bet you the moment you guys go short, though, that's the moment it's going to go up. Wow. Talk about straight carnage. Wow. This is the S&P 500, guys. There is the S&P 500. All right. I'm going to set the orb up here. Setting up the orb. All right. 935. We're going to go here. Okay, here we go. Here we go. So we got the 9. Yeah, this looks like the orb here on ES right here. Wow, look at this range here. Let's count this real quick. Let's count this. Let's see how many points this is here. The orb, since the market opened 15 minutes ago, more or less, is 278-point drop. As soon as the market opened, it pumped maybe 100 points, not even 50 something points, and then completely reversed down. 278 point to the downside from the peak of the 935 candle. Crazy. We're very far from VWAP. This was the London low. It obviously has taken London low very, very far down. Oh man, this thing flips and goes straight down again. That's crazy work. Crazy work. Not impossible though, as we know. I mean, it's just that VWAP is so far away. It's crazy. Gonna be as patient as possible and try to take the best trade possible. That's all I could do. This is not financial advice. So we're gonna use the orb strategy. This is not the orb. This is a imbalance on the daily that it filled about half of it, and now that's why it's bouncing. I think maybe it doesn't want to fill the whole thing yet. We'll see. We'll see, guys. All right, here we go. It's going right back up. It's doing an inversion. Might do a V-shaped recovery. This is a pretty big support zone. So let's see what happens here. Hang in there, guys. I'm just waiting to see what happens here. I don't want to. I'm not really looking for any longs, guys. I'm really looking for shorts. Why am I looking for shorts? We're in a downtrend. I don't, you know, like it could rip all the way to VWAP. I want to see what it does when it gets there, because I'd rather take a short than go against the trend. Going against the trend is very risky. Nah, I'm not willing to take that risk. Let's see what happens here. I'd rather take a short. Oh, so sorry. And this is breaking out to the upside on ES, but again, we're in a massive downtrend, so I'm not looking for any longs just yet. This is just a little pump up. If you look at the 4-hour, this is a little pullback. I know it looks big, but it's just a pullback on the higher time frames. ATR is 52, guys, so just risk accordingly. I'm gonna do 1 micro, risking very little, and I'm just gonna wait to get the confirmation this thing wants to go lower. All right, this thing is ripping to VWAP. VWAP on ES. Let's see. Is it gonna do a complete V-shaped recovery? I don't know. It's possible, but again, I don't want to. Even if it inverses this here, it could keep going higher. It's just I'll be fighting the overall trend. I just don't see that like a high probability trade. You know, because out of nowhere it could just reverse and continue with the trend, right? Then I'll be like, why didn't I take a short instead of a long? Let's see, guys. Let's see what happens. Just sit tight, stay patient. We're not trading the S&P 500, so just, and VWAP is right here on ES, so if you're thinking this inversion's good, you could be really wrong. You want this inversion here. Rip through here, maybe close. I don't know. I don't even know, because it's super bearish. It's super bearish. All right, sit tight, guys. Just sit tight. We're gonna be here for a little bit. Gonna be here for just a tad. Let's see how it reacts to VWAP here on ES. If it taps and then it shoots straight down again, that's a short I like to take. We're in the middle of orb. We haven't got a breakout on NQ, so just hang tight, guys. I will be right back. I'll be right back, okay, guys? Just hang in there. Don't take any trades without me. No, I'm kidding. You guys do what you want. Hold on. All right, guys, I'm back. That wasn't too long. I'm back. I'm back. Relax. Alrighty. So this thing is obviously ripping. Did a nice little V shape. Right back to the New York Open. Right back to the New York Open, guys. Again, what I want to see is a rejection down. So we're just going to have to wait to see what it does if it taps, when it taps VWAP. If it taps VWAP. If it wants to continue going up or continue going down. Let's see how it goes. Patience, guys. Patience, patience. Wait for the best trade. A long is not a high probability trade. The overall trend is bearish, guys. I got to see a lot of different confirmations for me to go long. Like it has to break above here, retest VWAP, and then continue. It's got to do a lot. I need to see a breakout, an inversion, rip right through VWAP, and retest, break, retest. I don't know. It is a bullish pin bar here on the 1 hour right now. Let's see what the next 10 a.m. candle has in 2 minutes. Let's see what happens, guys. Hang tight. Hang tight. Might want to retest, or I'm sorry, take London high on ES. We'll see. Everybody's strategy is different, guys. You know, there might be people that be like, oh, I went long here, I went long here, I went long here, I went long here, and it probably played out. You know, they trade on a lower time frame. I trade on the 5-minute time frame, so I need 5 minutes or more of confirmation. Yeah, so looks like it's breaking out. It's gonna wick to the upside. Get ready, guys. It's about to wick. Got VWAP right here. I do not take a breakout into VWAP. I don't do that. Just in case you guys are wondering, oh, why doesn't he take the breakout here? I don't take breakouts into VWAP. So it is very, very bullish at the moment. That's for sure. All right. It did not take that high. Oh, there it goes. Now it did. Did you wick? Yep. Is it gonna go higher? Oh, it's going down. It's going up. Let me move this up a little. There we go. Got VWAP right here. We'll see what it does. we'll see what it does. Let's just stay patient, guys. Ooh, there it goes. There it goes. Oh, it's gone. It's gone. It's super gone. And it's about to tap VWAP. This is the key reaction that we're waiting for. It's tapping the top of London high and VWAP on NQ. Now, the real move is going to happen soon. It's either going to rip above London high, retest VWAP and continue going higher, or reverse and continue with the trend. Let's see what happens. All right, hold on just 1 second, guys. These dogs are driving me crazy. One wants to go outside, one wants to go inside, one wants to go outside, one wants to go inside. Ugh, my goodness. Okay, and we're back. This thing is ripping. Let's see what it does at VWAP. I might want to retest EMA 200. ATR is 61, guys, on the 5-minute time frame. So let's see what happens here. Well, yeah, if you guys take this inversion and this long here, then great job. But look at this 10 a.m. candle. Nasty ripper, man. Nasty, nasty, nasty. Beautiful bullish pin bar. It just ripped. But I didn't want to take a breakout into VWAP here. So I'm okay with that. I'm okay with this overall trend having a little baby green in the whole sea of red. I'm okay. I'm okay. The overall trend is bearish. It's popping, or actually it's chopping. I want to see a continuation lower to fill this daily imbalance that it filled only half of it, I think. So it might want to come all the way up here, maybe, but I just don't see that like a high probability trade for me. I rather go with the overall trend, which is bearish, until we get a complete change of character to the upside, then start looking for longs again. And right now, look, it's getting rejected off VWAP on NQ. So this could be a fake out, guys. This could be a fake out to the upside. Just be careful, you know. It did sweep London highs. So let's see what happens. Alright guys, just stay patient here. Could it go higher? Sure. It could go keep going high, and then it just completely runs out of gas in one candle. You know? Could it continue grinding all the way back up? It could do that too. It's a complete V shape currently, and you know, it hasn't had a retest of orb or gone down, but I mean the overall trend is bearish on the higher time frames, and I just don't feel confident about going long here. That's all. That's just me though. Maybe I'm wrong, you know, and that's fine too. Gotta be careful this thing doesn't completely reject and go straight down, you know. Well, at least you could say that there was continuation, you know, because it didn't completely reverse and go right back down. So that's good that it had continuation. Sometimes it's clean momentum. Some days it's chop. Or most days it's damn chop. This was a complete engulfing green candle on the 15-minute time frame, engulfing this red. But my whole thing is sometimes it'll engulf it, it does a pullback, and then it continues. It didn't do that. It just engulfed it and kept running. There was barely any pullback whatsoever. I think the overall move will be down, but we just gotta be patient here. Oh man, ATR 65. Let's see. All right, it's going for that London high there. Most likely he's gonna tap it. Very close. Very close. All right. It's not gonna tap London high and completely reverse down. That's gonna really annoy some people. Nah, I think it's gonna go higher. I think. I mean, you never know with this market. Likes to do fake outs. Psych, I'm not going that high, and just reverses. Yeah, there it goes. And it's about to take it. Oh, it's probably gonna take it on this next candle. And it's gonna take it on this candle and then go down. There it goes. Oh, so close. There it goes. Tap. Did it tap it? There it. It's like edging it. There it goes. Now it tapped. I was about to say. All right, we'll switch it up a little bit. All right, now it's going for this imbalance. It's just straight down, straight down, straight up. Good job, Danny. Good job on the long, man. Let's go. Let's go. Danny with the long. Beautiful pump. No pullback whatsoever. Well, it pulled back a little bit here at VWAP, but just continued to rip. I mean, this is your daily right here. Crazy bullish pin bar. Nasty pump. Nasty. Forgive me if I feel weary of taking a long into VWAP, guys. The overall trend is bearish, so I really want to see a short. I don't really want to go long at this time, even though I know it could be at a support level because it's obviously very, very low. But yeah, I mean, the trend is always your friend, guys. I'm not trying to fight the trend. The 5-minute trend is bullish. The overall trend on every other time frame is bearish on the higher time frames. So we'll see. This might just chop around. All right, so it did tap EMA 200. Let's see if it goes to retest VWAP. If it's gonna bounce off VWAP or flush straight down. Crazy candles, man. Crazy candles. Crazy candles here. All right, are we getting a final rejection or is it just a retest of VWAP? Let's see what happens. So it tapped that imbalance on the 1 hour. Failed to go higher. Let's see what happens. I'm just trying to stay patient here, guys. It is going to close as a doji. That could be the beginning of a reversal. It's possible, or continuation. We don't know. We'll see yet. We'll see now. We shall see. Let's see if it retests VWAP and bounces or if it flushes straight down. Let's see. Looks like it's losing a little bit of steam here. Oh, psych. Psych. Might want to fill this gap before it goes down. might want to fill this here before it rips down, or maybe it's just gonna keep ripping, man. This is tricky, guys. Super tricky stuff, man. Okay. Man, this thing's just playing around. It's just playing around with everybody now. Doesn't want to go higher. Doesn't want to go lower. We'll find out now in the next 15 minutes. We'll see what it wants to do, guys. We shall see what it wants to do. Just staying patient. Okay, so it wants to fill this gap on the 1 hour and the 5 minute. It wants to fill the gap, guys. You gotta have a lot of patience when you trade, guys. You can't get FOMO. You just have to relax. Just gotta relax. Take it easy and just chill. All right. Now we might have to wait till 11 o'clock again to catch the correct move, or maybe not trade at all, because this thing is not really giving me an entry to go long, to be honest, on my model. It hasn't done a retest. It's not going, it's going up against the trend. Might be doing a change of character, I don't know. We'll see. We're gonna stay patient here. I think might just chop and go sideways, who knows. Oh man. Right, we're just staying patient, guys. I know. You're like, oh, you could have taken a long. Yeah, could have, but I didn't. It is what it is. I didn't like the longs. I wasn't gonna take a breakout into VWAP. Nope. Not doing that. Still plenty of time, guys. The market just opened a little while ago. About less than an hour ago, it opens. Still time. Yeah, 100%. After such a heavy move in Asia and London, accumulation is possible. And it's Friday. 100%. 100%. That is very true. You gotta be very careful that it doesn't just turn into chop. Man. Alright, I think it wants to fill that gap. It never really came down to retest VWAP either. It came down a little bit, but it never like tapped it and then ripped back up. And then we have EMA 200 right here. So it's grinding up. It's grinding. And it could grind, but I don't know. It might not be a trade today, guys. At least for me. It might not be a trade. We shall see. We shall see, guys. Ooh. Thanks for the likes. Appreciate it. Thank you, thank you. Appreciate the likes. Make sure you go follow my YouTube page. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. See more trading content there. Right here. Right on TikTok, you'll see the link. You can tap this. It should take you to my YouTube channel. Oh, which I'm live there too. So. Oh, come on. Figure out what you're gonna do here, man. Where are all the sellers, huh? Where are all the sellers? The sellers have sold. Now the buyers have stepped in, clearly. They're like, all right, you sold it to a good discount. We're gonna buy it up all the way up here. And that's how it that's how it goes. The buyers just stepped in very, very strongly. This blue gap here was a daily imbalance. It obviously tapped into it and completely ripped, guys. I know, I was just London low. It took out the London lows. Complete V-shaped recovery on the 5-minute, but my concern was the overall trend, man. Let's see what happens, guys. Just sit tight. After these 4 minutes, that'll be the third green candle on the 15-minute time frame. I'm guessing the fourth candle should be red. Let's see what happens. The fourth one should be red, but it's not impossible if it's green, you know? Trading is not that easy. Oh my god. Up, 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 up. In a freaking downtrend. You know. I'm sure there was plenty of people who are like, alright, I'm gonna go short here. I'm gonna go short here, and this thing just keeps going up. I'm gonna go short here, and it keeps going up. I wait for confirmation that it wants to go lower. It's just a freaking grind. Oh my goodness. It just keeps grinding up and up and up and up and up and up. Okay, is this it? Is this the fake out to the downside? I don't even know. They're just gonna show one red candle and then the rest are just gonna rip it green. Gotta be careful here, guys. I need to see a nice break of VWAP inversion and maybe a close into freaking orb here. This is ES. ES completely ripped out of orb. Clean. It was a lot cleaner. A lot cleaner. So you can see it came down, retested a little bit, and then rejected. This would have been a good long right here. Long to London high. Boom. Easy. Easy long right here. Pop, 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 pop. Crazy, crazy. All right. So does it want to go lower now? Does it finally want to go with the trend? Have we been patient enough? I don't know. Maybe it's just a little red candle, a little pullback to continue going higher. Who knows at this point? It's gonna be 10:30 already. Yeah, this red candle doesn't seem like it really wants to go, but let's see. It might close as a doji on the 15-minute, maybe. Nah, it's not. It is closing a little weaker, but it still could rip higher. I think it wants to fill that imbalance. The red imbalance on top. It still can. Let's see what happens here, guys. I don't want to take any longs. Yeah. This overall trend here, man. Overall trend on the higher time frames is bearish, guys. You know, I don't even like shorts, to be honest. I don't like shorts. But I have to go with the trends, you know. I don't even like shorts, but we'll see. Maybe it'll fill this gap here. Once it fills this, that's going to be interesting. Once it fills this, that's when we're going to see, hopefully, a pullback. Hopefully. Or maybe we'll see it now. I don't know yet. We'll see. Just staying patient, guys. Just staying super patient on a Friday. Market's been open 1 hour and like 1 minute and something. Okay? We're going to be all right. Y'all have any questions for me? Let me know. Let me know if you have any questions for me. Are we starting to see the pullback now? Is the pullback coming in? Is this gonna be the reversal, or is this just a little pullback? We shall see here. If it bounces off VWAP and goes straight up, then yeah, this shit ain't going down. It's not going down. I want to see it close under VWAP. Now it could bounce. It could bounce. Yeah, there it goes. It's bouncing. ATR is 71 on the 71. ATR is 71. All right, this candle closes. It's gonna chop around here now. It's gonna chop. It's gonna go lower. Is it gonna go higher? I don't like that wick. I don't like that wick. It could go lower, but I need to get a confirmation it wants to go lower, you know? I might be asking for a lot, but and candle closes here. See, it tapped VWAP. Now if it taps VWAP and rips to the moon, we know there's a lot of freaking buyers at VWAP. Now if it rips and closes under VWAP, it might want to go lower. It just might. We'll see here. Look at ES. ES is going down and NQ is going up. Manipulation, guys. Manipulation. Okay, well, that's a clear bounce off VWAP there. Clear bounce off EMA 200 on ES. Now the thing is, will it go higher? To take a long here, man. To take a long. If I do take a long here, I'm gonna take it on this other account. I'm not gonna take it on the account we are 4 days green in a row. If I do take a long, so just to reduce the risk even more. And not to mess up my weekend with the if it loses, you know, it'll be like, man, I knew I shouldn't have gone long. It's fine. If I take it with that account, I won't feel terrible. Well, it's rejecting to go higher. That's interesting. Is it finally running out of steam? Oh man. Okay, it's going higher. If this closes above these highs here, I'll take the long on this Apex account, not the Lucid account, which is an eval. But if it closes down, then I'll take it on the Lucid. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I don't just fall asleep here waiting for this. So I don't fall asleep until this thing finally makes a move. Is it gonna go higher? Oh man, this thing is gonna chop here. Yeah, no, I think it wants to go higher. I'm gonna go with the long at the close of this candle. With 1 micro on this Apex account. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's gonna go. Is it gonna go in the 25 seconds? Of course it is. Give me at least 15 seconds, dude. My goodness. Alright, I'm long.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Alright, we're gonna put it here. And this might be a fast TP, who knows? Or a fast stop loss. Who knows? I know. Negative risk to reward, huh? Alright, let's go here then. Now what is it? It's a 1-to-1. Let's see what happens, guys. I'm long on this candle here. It did bounce off VWAP. It closed very bullish. We're above VWAP now. It could chop here or it could rip. There is an imbalance above on the 15-minute. And the 5-minute and the 4-hour, so there's reasons for it to go up and fill those gaps. I had to wait for a lot to take a long, obviously. And it could completely reverse and take me out now. That's why I did it on this account, because I'd be okay if I lose. If this thing decides to completely reverse here. Let's see. We're long. And it's pulling back now. It's chopping here at this level, at the support pivot, which is now a resistance pivot because it got broken and did not support nothing. Oh man. Is it gonna completely reverse? Go straight down now? It's possible. It is very possible, guys. That's why I did it with this account. So I might be late to the party. But I figured it wanted to fill this imbalance on the top here. It might just chop me out. It might just chop me out. And that's okay. I did it with an eval that I'm trading. Now it's gonna accumulate right here, consolidate, and chop me out. I love it. Overall, I do want to look for a short, but that green candle there kind of said, you know, wanted to go a little higher. It didn't. It completely reversed. Completely reversed on me. Yeah. Well, if it kills me, then that kind of confirms that it wants to go lower now. What do you guys think? I think this would probably be my first losing trade on TikTok. Wow. 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 Complete chop fest. Complete chop fest. Let's see. Let's see if we have enough wiggle room to let this play out or reverse on me. If it reverses, then we're gonna take a short on the other account. We're gonna wait for a good entry, but I'm not mad about this long. I figured it was gonna go up, you know, a little bit more, but might want to retest VWAP on ES. I don't know. Maybe it didn't like just testing VWAP on NQ. It wants ES also all the way down here. Whoa. And there it goes. Turns into a chop fest. Is it turning into chop? Or just going, it's going straight for the stop loss, guys. Straight for the stop. Well, let's see what happens here, guys. Is it gonna go lower? Is this the reversal that we've been waiting for and it's happening The moment I take the trade is when the reversal. That's why I use the account that I don't really care too much for. It cost me, I think, 20 bucks. So that is the reversal. It reversed on us by showing us it wanted to go higher, and it just said, psych, I'm going down now. Let me trap all the buyers right here. They got me. They got me with this eval. They're like, how can we trap buyers? Let's do one massive green candle, and then at the top, reverse that shit. Reverse it. Or it just turned into chop. Oh, wow. Now they're reversing it on the people going short. They're like, oh, this is it. This is the short. Psych. Psych again. Got him again. Got him again. They keep reversing. Reverse, reverse. Wow, that was so close to my stop, and it just reversed. Now it rips. Come on, let's get a rip to the moon now. I know you've already been ripping, but, you know. Give me a little bit. Give me a little bit, NASDAQ. Give me a little taste. Give me a little taste of that long. A little taste. Don't take me out. Don't do it. Don't do it. Rip to the moon. Rip to the moon. Look at ES. Look at ES. Do what ES is doing. Rip it. It's a doji on the 15-minute time frame. And so let's see what it is on the 4-hour. 4 hours a green candle. It's trying to go higher, but I mean the overall trend is bearish, so it's fighting the trend. It's fighting it. Well, I got my stop at VWAP, so it's gonna be interesting what happens. Does it finally want to go down now? So let's see what happens here. Is it going to go higher? Is it going to go lower? 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Well, if it stops out that account, the move might be lower, but it is kind of just chopping. Now it's just consolidating. Consolidating right here where I took my entry, of course. Alright, so I just tapped VWAP. Let's see, does it want to go lower? Or does it want to rip up now? Interesting. Just gonna hang in there for dear life. Just gonna hang in there. Let's see. Well, might be cooked on this little eval. See, it's exactly why I don't want to take longs. The moment I go long is when it dumps. And the overall trend is bearish. And I was kind of looking for shorts the whole time. That's why I did it with this account and not the account that I haven't lost all week on. I was like, I'll take it with this account. I don't mind losing on this account. But it is just playing with me now. It's like, am I gonna go higher? Am I gonna go lower? I think it's gonna go lower. Let's see, guys. Well, moment of truth. Is it gonna go under VWAP or stay above it? Uh-oh. Oh, maybe it wants to go lower now. Overall trend. Overall trend running out of gas. There it goes. TP about to get slapped. Stop loss, I mean. And there it is. And there it is. And there it is. No? No? Oh my goodness. It's literally playing with me. And there it is. No? Oh my gosh. It's edging the stop loss. It's edging it. My bad. It's edging the stop loss, guys. Oh my god. Now it's gonna rip to the moon? No way. No way. I don't believe it. Yeah, I didn't think so. It's like, wait, we gotta take David out before we go higher. Can't go higher without taking him out. There it is. Now it's coming for me. Now it's coming for me. Boom, boom. All right, there it is. And stop loss hit. And stop loss hit. No? Oh my goodness. Stop loss hit. Stop loss. Stop loss. And let's see.
Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. All right. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Wait.
Yeah, that's how I feel right now. That's how I feel. It's gonna hit it. And there it is. Oh, oh my God! It didn't fill the order. What? No way. There it is.
Stop filled.
There it is. Okay, we just got stopped out. Got me. They got me. It's all good. It's all good. All right. Now, if it closes under here, it might be a short. It might be the short now. Let's see. So, we'll do 1 micro. If that closes under VWAP, I'll take a short. And if it wants to pop back up, then I'm just off today.
Order filled.
All right, so we're gonna go here and see if this wants to go higher or lower. All right, we're at VWAP. It's either gonna break through VWAP or break my stop loss. Man, this is really tricky today. Let's see, is it gonna go lower or is it gonna bounce and go all the way back up? ATR 76. Oh my god. Now it rips all the way back up again. Yo. Come on, man. Now you want to have no continuation. Now you want to go. Ah, my thumb. Now right at VWAP, it bounces or it's gonna flush. It's either one or the other, guys. I'm gonna hope the trend is my friend. That's all I could hope. That the trend is my friend. That's all I can hope. That it wants to go right back down. I mean, it tapped VWAP a couple times and it didn't bounce. So that's why I was like, why would it bounce now? But let's see. All right, so we're taking this trade on the the other account. This is, I guess, the short that I've been looking for the whole damn day. Hopefully the 11 o'clock candle doesn't wipe me out, man, and it plays out to the downside. If it pops up, I'm cooked. We got 2 minutes and 40 seconds until that candle shows up. Let's see if I could we could get a damn little drop here. Oh my gosh, my leg fell asleep. Let's see if I could get a drop. Hopefully it doesn't, this shit doesn't chop, man. Come on, flush it, flush it, flush it, flush it, flush it, flush it, all the way down. All the way down. Continue the trend. The trend is your friend. The trend is your friend. Alright, we know what the 1 hour is doing. Let's see ES. I'm going to have to really trail quickly. Come on. I'm trailing really tight.
Stop filled.
Okay. Yeah. $50. I'm good with the 50 bucks on that account. I've been wanting the short. I'm good with that. Technically on that account I haven't lost all week. So, and that's the account I really want to continue making progress on. This market's been really choppy and I just didn't want to risk it, especially with VWAP right here on ES. It could pop up and I didn't want to be in there. Also, I have EMA 50 right here. You can't see it because it's on the green, but EMA 50 is right here, so I'm okay taking that off right there. I'm okay with that. It was just one micro. I could, let's see, hold up, see if there's any other trade possible here. All right, so this is your 11 o'clock candle. I just wanted to get out of there before that also.
Order filled.
I'm going to do this. I'm going to go short on this Apex account and see if I can capture something back here.
Order filled.
All right, I got a little something back. Nothing crazy. I just wanted to be green on the week on this little Apex account. I didn't want it because I kind of gave up all the profits on that short. I mean on the long. So yeah, we took one loss. We're still up $49 on the week on that little account. And we're up $443 on this account. So far I haven't lost a day on this account, so that's good. We're gonna keep grinding away there. I closed this one out pretty quick just because I know VWAP is right here, guys. I just didn't want to be in that in case it popped on the 11 o'clock candle. Like it'll tap it and bounce. I didn't want to be in there. I know the overall trend is bearish, but I got cooked on this stupid little long right here. They trapped me, bro. They fucking trapped me. They showed me it wanted to go a little higher, maybe fill this gap, and it said, cool story, David. Boom. And that's why they say the trend is your friend. Your trend is your friend. I just thought it was going to go a little bit higher, and it didn't. You see? That's how they get us. That's how they get us traders. They're like, gosh, pop it. Show them it wants to go like a nice engulfing green candle. And then they squeeze us, man. They squeezed us. That was a nice little fake out. I'm sure it caught a lot of other people. And they lost a lot more than me. But anyways. Let's see here. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I took 1 loss and 2 wins. Small wins, but it is what it is. It is what it is, guys. Can't win them all. Can't win them all. This is not financial advice at the end of the day, right? Anyways, thank you guys for watching. As you can see, I took 1 loss, 1 win, and another win. But the 2 wins were like micro scalps. Micro scalps. All right, guys. Well, enjoy the weekend. Relax. You don't have to look at charts for tomorrow. And just relax. You know, do like a mental reset, guys. This week has been really rough trading. And just take your profits. If you're green, if you're red, take it on the chin and come back on Monday. That's all you could do. If you continue trading, you're gonna blow your damn account, man, and then you're gonna be like, ruin the weekend. Don't do that. Don't do that, guys. Don't ruin the weekend. Anyways, thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you guys for watching Trading with David 305. We trade the NASDAQ Futures. We took 1 loss and 2 wins. It is what it is. Enjoy the rest of your day. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you guys on Monday, 9 a.m. Go follow my YouTube channel. If you're on TikTok, go follow my YouTube channel. The link is right here. The link is right on top of me. Just tap that and subscribe. Thank you guys. I appreciate it. I'll give you guys a few minutes to tap the link. The link will still be there even when I go to credits. So have a great weekend, guys. Thank you.